how to log into your Chip app on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you have to do is make sure that you have logged out of your Chip account from your old device. Then you can simply install the Chip application on your new device, right? Then you can simply open the application. Then from here, there's no further process or very complicated process that you need to do. So all you need to do is, first of all, simply add in the phone number of your account, and after adding down the phone number, all you need to do is tap on next, right? So after tapping on next, there might actually be the requirement of your verification. So you might actually get a OTP. Simply write that OTP down and then verify your account. And after doing that, what you're going to do is simply add in the password of your account, and all you need to do is tap on login, and just like this, you'll actually be able to log into your Chip app on your new device. So like I said, there's no further complicated process. All you need to do is add in your mobile number, then simply verify it since you are on your new device, and then you can add in the password, and like that you'll actually be able to log into your Chip app on your device. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.